Welcome! If you're looking to add a custom title for the group owner in your Telegram group using Telegram Web on your PC, you're in the right place. With the latest updates, Telegram has made it even easier for group owners to personalize their roles and stand out in their communities. Let's walk through the process step by step. First, open Telegram Web on your PC and log into your account. Once you're in, navigate to the group where you are the owner. You can find your groups on the left sidebar. Just click on the group you want to manage. Now, look to the top right corner of the group chat window. You'll see 3 vertical dots. Click on them to open the menu. From the drop-down, select Edit. This will take you to the group's settings page, where you can manage various aspects of your group. Next, find and click on Administrators in the menu. This section shows all the admins in your group, including yourself as the owner. Locate your name, which should be listed at the top as Owner. Click on your profile in this list to open your admin controls. Here's where the magic happens. Under your admin settings, you'll see a field labeled Custom Title. This is where you can enter a unique title that will appear next to your name in the group. It could be anything you like: founder, creator, or something more playful. Type in your desired title. Once you've entered your new title, make sure to click Save at the bottom of the page. Your new custom title will now be visible to all group members, right next to your name in the chat and the member list. This not only helps identify your role, but also adds a personal touch to your group's leadership. And that's it. You've successfully added a custom title for the group owner in your Telegram group using Telegram Web on your PC. This feature is a great way to showcase your role and make your group even more engaging. Thanks for tuning in, and enjoy managing your Telegram community with your new title.